Before we go to the approval of the agenda, Madam Chair, several members suggested items for inclusion in today's agenda.
Okay, Secretary. Thank you.
Good morning, Madam Chair. I would like to move for the approval of the agenda with the amendments.
There's a motion by Councilor Abergan, seconded by Councilor Huertas and Councilor Shakur. Any comment? The motion is approved.
We go to the next item, the reading and approval of the Journal of Proceedings.
May I move, Mr. Chair, to dispense the reading and approval of the Journal of Proceedings and the minutes of November 21 and 24 regular session. May I move, Mr. Chair.
There's a motion to dispense the approval of the Journal of Proceedings. Any second? Seconded by Councilor Huertas, Councilor Ong. Any comment? The motion is approved.
Referral of business, number 1 was agreed to be deleted. So we go to the next item. Messages from the Honorable City Mayor. Addendum 3 items. First item is for Member Young. MOA, please refers to the Memorandum of Agreement with National Housing Authority.
Councilor Yan, I have the copy, and you are the author of this. This is a memo for the resolution. May I move for the resolution giving authority to the City Mayor, Frederick Shaw, to enter into and sign the Memorandum of Agreement between Iligan City Government, National Housing Authority, NHA, and the Department of Social Welfare and Development, DSWD, Field Office, Region 10, for the construction of housing units under the Core Shelter Assistance Program, CSAP, intended for the victims of Typhoon Sindong. May I move, Mr. Chair?
There is a motion by Councilor Abergan, seconded by Councilor Huertas and Councilor Shakur. Any comment?
Yes, Madam Chair, comment. Councilor Abergan will be the co-author of that, sir.
Yes, I have already manifested that you are the co-author.
Okay, thank you. And Councilor Abergan, could you just add the word the latest? Because there are already several moments on your side with regards to this concern. So could we just add to enter into and sign the latest Memorandum of Agreement? Because this is just an extension.
I beg your pardon, ma'am.
Could we just add the word the latest Memorandum of Agreement? Because this is a Memorandum of Agreement for the extension.
Okay. Noted.
Thank you.
If there will be another Memorandum of Agreement, that will be the latest na po. No?
Yes.
Okay.
Any? We would like to recognize the presence of Councilor Michelle Sweet and
Noted.
Councilor Derek Shaw. Any
Thank you,
objection?
Madam Chair. Thank you. Thank you.
Any objection to the motion? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I hereby reflect 11 affirmative votes for the said motion.
Secretariat, that includes the 11 votes. Thank you.
Next item for addendum, Member Abergan.
Yes, I move for the approval of the resolution authorizing the City Mayor, Frederick Shaw, to enter into and sign the Memorandum of Agreement MOA between Iligan City Government and the Department of Health Center for Health Development, Northern Mindanao, for the awarding of 40,000 pesos to Iligan City Health Office as one of the winning participants in the mass casualty incident simulation exercise category. May I move, Mr. Chair, for the approval?
There is a motion by Councilor Abergan. Any second? Seconded by Councilor Huertas. Any comment? Objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Prepare reflect 11 affirmative votes for the said motion. Next item, and then do member Abragan.
May I move, Mr. Chair, Madam Chair, for the grant of authority to our City Mayor, Frederick Xiao, to sign a contract of services of Francisco A. Cruz, a Special Operation Executive Assistant to City Mayor's Office, from August 1 to December 31, with a salary as embodied in the contract. May I move, Mr. Chair?
Here's a motion by Councilor Abragan. Any second? Seconded by Councilor Del Monte and Councilor Impuro. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, prepare reflect 11 affirmative votes for the said motion.
The motion is approved.
We go to the next item, calendar business, unfinished business. First item, committee chair on laws.
Madam Chair, may I ask the Secretariat if the representative of SUPA Urban Poor Association, people of ACMAC Peace and Unity Association, Rosas Urban Poor Association, Sampaguita Urban Poor Association, for this civil society organization are present, such that it will be presented before us, for us to ask questions, the very purpose of the association.
Requesting the presence of Azupa Urban Poor Association. Anybody present? Second, people of ACMAC Peace and Unity Association. Papua New Guinea. Next, Rosas Urban Poor Association. Next, Sampaguita Urban Poor Association. Nothing heard from the gallery, Mr. Chair.
In view of this development, I would like to request the Secretariat to give them notice to appear in the next session on December 11 in the morning at 10 o'clock. December 11. 11. Because we will be using for hearing the decision hall for the case, 3 cases involving hearing uniform policemen. So that is very urgent. So we give priority to that, to have this session hall be used for the People Law Enforcement Board. That will be on 10, so in 11 will be our regular session.
Noted. We go to the next item, business of the day. First item for member Belmonte.
Madam Chair, requesting mass motion on this one. Endorsing a resolution entitled the resolution requesting the Philippine Olympic Committee President Abraham N. Tolentino to examine and take into consideration for the Iligan City's qualified homegrown athletes to participate in the succeeding Olympic Games, Asian Games, Southeast Asian Games, Paralympic Games, and other related international competitions. So move, Madam Chair.
Last motion.
Thank you.
Second item for member Kim.
Madam Chair, endorsing a resolution together with Member Thomas Garrick Xiao and Bishop Nagasabal with a resolution entitled a resolution urging the winning bidder PARV, Power of Engineering, to please accelerate and make haste in building the oval track at the Iligan City Wet Park so that the Iligan runners can use this facility as soon as possible. So move, Madam Chair.
There's a motion by Councilor Belmonte, seconded by Councilor Abragan and Councilor Impuro. Any comment? Objection? Motion is approved.
Next item for business of the day, and then do member Yang.
Thank you, sir. adopting Barangay Resolution number 55 series of 2025 of Kabaksanan entitled Resolution Requesting Assistance from the Office of Attorney Marliñang City Council, Biligan City for the construction, installation of solar street lights in a certain roadway at Barangay Kabaksanan, Biligan City, and endorsing the same to the City Engineer's Office and the City Mayor's Office for budget allocation. So move, Madam Chair.
There's a motion by Councilor Young, any second? Seconded by Councilor Huertas, Councilor Belmonte, Councilor Burong, and Councilor Tumuno. Any comment? Objection? The motion is approved.
Next
Thank you,
two,
Madam Chair.
next two items, Member Abraham.
My colleagues are present because it seems that we are only two speaking this session. Councilor Belmonte. Anyway, well, I would like to pass an ordinance authorizing the temporary closure of a portion of Pedro Bermudez Street, Barangay San Miguel, Biligan City from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. on December relative to the holding of Star Lightning event hosted by PINMA COC, Biligan City. May I move, Mr. Chair, for the first reading?
First reading is approved.
May I dispense the second reading and proceed to the third and final reading for the same purpose and the same title? May I move, Mr. Chair?
There is a motion to dispense the second and third reading by Councilor Abergan. Any second? Seconded by Councilor Huertas and Councilor Shakur. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, declare effect. 12 affirmative votes for the said ordinance on third and final reading.
The motion is approved.
Next, may I move for K2E? May I move for the approval of the resolution as co-authored by the chairperson. Anyway, you cannot sign if you will be co-author. I'll be the one to author this. A resolution reaffirming and strengthening the observation on December 1 to 10, 2025 as a Human Rights Week in the City of Biligan in recognition and adoption of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. May I move, Mr. Chair?
There is a motion by
Madam
Councilor
Chair.
Abergan. Any second?
Second, Madam Chair.
Seconded by Councilor Huertas, Councilor Young, and Councilor Shakur. Councilor Tumuno. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, declare effect. 12 affirmative votes for the said motion.
The motion is approved.
Next two items for addendum, Member Xiao.
Good morning, Madam Chair. For approval, this is a resolution authored by me and Councilor King Del Monte, recognizing and commending Reverend Binoy Tapumos for his selection as a member of the Pilipinas Ultimate Mix national team and for representing the Philippines in the historic debut of the Ultimate Frisbee at the 2025 Southeast Asian Games in Thailand, bringing honor and pride to the city. So moved, Madam Chair.
There's a motion by Councilor Xiao. Any second?
Second. Second, Madam Chair.
Seconded by Councilor Young, Councilor Huertas, Councilor Shakur, and Councilor Tumuno. Any comment? Objection? The motion is approved.
Next
Thank you,
one.
Madam.
Next, Member Xiao.
For approval again, Madam Chair, this is a resolution expressing support to the recommendation of the Biligan City Strategic Affairs Office for the conduct of process benchmarking on the prioritization and programming process of Quezon City and enjoining the City Engineer's Office and the City Planning and Development Office to undertake said benchmarking activity and knowledge sharing initiatives. For approval, Madam Chair. So moved.
There's a motion by Councilor Shao. Any second?
Second, Madam Chair.
Seconded by Councilor Yang, Councilor Impuro, Councilor Bergan, Councilor Shakur, and Councilor Bruno. Any comment? Yes, Councilor Bergan.
I interpose no objection to that, Mr. Chair. But I would like to remind everybody in this August body that this is a resolution supporting one of the department of the executive branch, and it is the discretion of the mayor to approve. And it is not part of our legislation to have it to give support, considering that is not a part of our legislative measure. But I do not interpose objection, and in fact, this is only a reminder that we should not encroach to the discretion of the executive to have their benchmarking to other cities. And I hope this will be noted and be observed. That's all, Mr. Chair.
There is no Councilor Bergan. Any other comment? Objection? The motion is approved.
We go to the next item, privilege R. Hearing none, we go to the next information hour. Hearing none, we go to the next question hour. Next announcement. Madam Chair,
The next session will be on
December 11. The next session is proposed by consensus by the majority members. The council is December 11 at 10 o'clock in the morning. Will that be okay, Madam Chair?
It's the council, with the new date of our session, last session of the month, or last session of the year.
Agree, Madam Chair.
So hearing no objection, so the session will be on December 11 at 10 p.m. in the morning.
Nothing more than Chair? Madam Chair?
There's a motion to adjourn the session in second, seconded by Councilor Shakur. Session adjourned.